Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Shar. Howdy, Onodo. In today's video, I will be sharing another part of our Jamaican culture. Me go share good know how Jamaican used to go about getting their water. Then they no tap water then time there. Then they then go and they flush toilet, then they turn on the pipe and water. Then they have that. But you know what they have? They did have rainwater. That was the number one source. You know, most of them houses built with zinc. No slab roof. It was zinc house them time there. So even if the house are no zinc, but the roof had zinc. And then fix the zinc a certain way. So when the rain fall, then they have some drum containers where them catch water in. And they would line out the drum. Some people have 3, some people have 2, some people have 1, and they line it out beside the side of the house. And when the rain fall, then the water run down. Some of them make like a gutter. You look your past, how about that from your stop? Our gutter they make to take the water from off the zinc and go down in the drum. Because then you have no other way to get water away from rain, gully, no, the gully water. And the water we they normally drink, it used for wash plate. No, dishes, you said a plate, Jamaicans say plate. Wash plate, maybe if you cook, kind of boil, so if you cook the gully water. And then you had the spring water, one little hole like, and then, normally they would use that for drink. Cause spring, that's clean water. And then, you go there morning time and the little gully, the little area, the water spring, apparently the water spring out of the earth, and you go there, you take up the water. But if the time hot, by taking it up, I'll do it as spring, their time, it slow down. So you have to left it, especially the best time is when they go in the morning, it spring up. And then, so you have the rainwater, so you have the spring water, and you have one they call gully, and you have river where they go do their washing. Remember me tell you, say, oh, they got river, go baptize, everything they go a river go do. Because that time they are no pool in church, so they have to go to the river for go baptize people. And then, after they had the rainwater, which is the number one, so we have the rainwater, we have gully, we have spring, then they have one they say tank. You have to walk far go get water. The tank, and then some places have one pipe. The water come from the tank, one pipe, so it's like what should I say? It's like a main place that you go. You say, Lord, me go get some water, but you have to walk far. If you don't have no rainwater and you don't have no water in that gully, you have to go far, go get water from the pipe. The water come from the tank. And when them full of them, they take them bucket, hold them bucket, and they go them pipe, and they turn on it because that the pipe, rain getting on the tank too, so that if you have drought, if no rain now fall, get no water, you have to go live pan the gully or the spring water. Because although you have the tank, you still need the rainwater for going in the tank. So that is another thing too. If there is no rain, then no rain now fully they drum them, and no rain now going in the tank. So you have to go a gully. You always got a river go wash, right? You not got a pipe go wash, you got a river. And you can't go gully to get a gully near you. And you see when the people not carry the water, they wrap the thing we call a cutter, and they put it on their head, and then they put the bucket on their head, and they put the basin on their head. They might bathe, they got a river, and if they not got a river, they full one bucket of water, and they go bathe fine, they can build. Everything was different. They build them bathroom in their yard. Right? They didn't have toilet where in the house. They build their toilet. Lord, when you pass some of the toilet, you could have eaten it a pretty. Then use one red thing, what they call it, red work, and then they redden the floor. So it pretty clean and pretty. The first thing Jamaican do, when they get up a morning time, they have, what you call it, some broom. Me not talk about the long broom, because they use them broom there. They have some broom where they bend them back. And when they bend them back, and they sweep, the first thing they do all time is sweep the yard, sweep. They have the kitchen where they have the fireside, and they sweep it before they make up the fire, you know. They go sweep out the part where they make the wood. When they put the wood, when they catch the fire, they sweep you out. And then after they sweep you out now, then they get the wood and everything and catch the fire. But when I tell you now, the source of water in a Jamaica them days, now if you go in the city, which always in the city you have the pipe water. Oh, I need to get some water from the pipe. In the country, you know that. You have to prepare for either get the rainwater and then pinch it, take time with it. If you use it too hard, it'll go down. You jump on them and go down, and then if rain no fall, then we no water. So that was the source. Our main source was rain, as I said, spring, gully, and river. So they used to get water in the country. That's how them days, that's how them get water. They don't have water for you run and a wash care and a water, flowers and all that sitting there. And everything they clean. Them place clean. Then even if them have to go down and go 3-4 times a day go get water, them go down go get the water. Because guess what? They want to Jamaica. They love cleanliness. Cleanliness is number one for Jamaica. Everything. That's how we grew up. Everything you wash. Everything. Wash and everything. You had the bathroom, you have one base, put on with the water for wash on. Every God Almighty thing. So know that you have pipes, as I said, in the city, you have the pipes and everything. That's a good thing. But we grew up, people, the older people are in those days, as I said, there was none. It was just the rainwater. And the rainwater is sweet and nice, refreshing, it cool. Yeah? That's what used to happen them days there. If you find this video informative, please like, subscribe, subscribe, share, and I thank you for watching. As always, continue, be blessed.